Now, what we're learning about all those late Christmas deliveries by UPS. People across the country report their packages still have not arrived. UPS says it's working as fast as it can to get those shipments to you. Both UPS and FedEx are apologizing for missing the Christmas deadline. They say bad weather, more online shoppers this year, and fewer shopping days this season caused the problem. But those excuses are not easing everyone's pain.
Really disappointed. I mean, I put so much time and energy and effort into picking the perfect gift for them, and they're still not here.
Some retailers are offering customers some relief. Amazon refunding fees and offering gift cards. Kohl's is paying for the undelivered items, and Walmart is also offering gift cards. UPS admits some customers are entitled to refunds, but a senator in Connecticut wants shipping fees refunded for everyone whose packages arrived late for Christmas.